Aptos cost today in an unpretentious manner, as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The kind of current cost of Aptos especially is $7.08, and well-suited generally is buy in a real sense position no. 54 in the extremely whole crypto environment, which is very huge. The core supply of Aptos is 130 million able, with a market cap of $920,438,180.58, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the precise beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has in every practical sense diminished by 87 cents in its ongoing worth. Aptos in every practical sense is confronting an especially tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins in an essentially enormous manner. Well-suited basically has fallen by practically 11.14% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days, or so they essentially thought. With worries about the related dangers strengthening in the genuinely beyond couple of days, we don't figure the coin would be a productive resource temporarily, despite the fact that it could essentially have areas of strength for truly lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Inside the last month, the cost of able essentially has in every practical sense diminished by 15.56%, disposing of an astounding in every way that really matters normal amount of $1.10 from its in every practical sense current worth, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. This unexpected drop essentially implies that the coin most certainly is in a plunge at the present time, so it can sort of be a very decent purchasing and open door for genuinely fast speculation. Or so they in every practical sense thought. Aptos Value Forecast 2022, which for the most part is very critical. As per the specialized examination of Aptos costs expected in 2022, the in every practical sense least expensive Aptos will by and large be $6.74 in an unpretentious manner. The greatest level that the well-suited cost can go after the most part is $8.03 in a by and large huge manner. The extremely normal exchanging cost really is normal around $7.38, or so they thought. Able value conjecture for November 2022. In light of the value changes of Aptos toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists in every practical sense expect the sort of typical able pace of $7.45 in November 2022, or so they thought. It's really least and in every practical sense. Greatest costs can especially be anticipated at $6.74 and at $7.66. Separately, which truly is very huge. December 2022, Aptos value gauge, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. Cryptographic money specialists truly are prepared to by and large declare their estimate at the able cost in December 2022, which essentially is very critical. The base exchanging cost could really be $7.32, while the by and large greatest could fundamentally reach $8.03 during this month, which truly is genuinely huge. By and large, it for the most part is normal that the worth of Aptos may be around $7.67, which by and large is very huge. Aptos value expectation 2023 in an every practical sense, significant way. After the examination of the costs of Aptos in earlier years, it truly is expected that in 2023, the in every practical sense, least cost of Aptos will in a real sense be around $10.10 in an unobtrusive manner. The greatest expected well-suited cost may really be around $13.01. By and large, the exchanging cost could generally be $11.55 in 2023, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Aptos Value Forecast 2024 in an unpretentious manner. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Aptos in 2024, well-suited explicitly is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $10.60 and $18.52. Separately in a significant way. The typical expected exchanging cost generally is $14.56. Aptos Value Expectation 2025. Truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money in a real sense have examined the costs of Aptos and their changes during the earlier years in an unpretentious manner. It fundamentally is expected that in 2025, the base able cost could drop to $15.25, while its greatest can basically reach $26.72 in an unpretentious manner. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $20.98 in a significant manner. Aptos Value Expectation 2026 in a significant manner. In view of the examination of the expenses of Aptos by crypto specialists, the accompanying in every practical sense, most extreme and certainly least adept costs basically are normal in 2026. $38.70 and $22.15. Overall, it will sort of be exchanged at $30.42 in a significant manner. Aptos Value Forecast 2027 in a significant manner. Crypto specialists in every way that really matters are continually examining the variances of Aptos in a very large manner. In view of their expectations, the assessed pretty typical able cost will explicitly be around $43.14, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. It could drop to a for the most part least of $31.57. However, it actually could explicitly reach $54.70 all through 2027 in an unpretentious manner. Aptos Value Expectation 2028, which in a real sense is very huge. Consistently, digital currency specialists generally get ready figures at the cost of Aptos in an especially significant manner. It especially is assessed that well-suited will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $45.87 and $79.81 in 2028 in an unobtrusive manner. Its really normal expense in a real sense is normal at around $62.84 during the year in an extremely significant manner. Aptos Value Expectation 2029. Essentially, in spite of prevalent thinking, cryptographic money experts really are by and large prepared to in a real sense report their assessments of the Aptos cost, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The year 2029 will still up in the air by the essentially most extreme able cost of $118.71 in a by and large enormous manner. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $66.58 in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Thus, the normal exceptionally normal exchanging cost most certainly is $92.65 in an extremely huge manner. Aptos Value Expectation 2030, in spite of prevalent thinking. Following quite a while of examination of the Aptos cost, crypto specialists fundamentally are somewhat prepared to give their well-suited cost assessment to 2030. It will in every practical sense be exchanged for something like $105.07, with the especially conceivable greatest tops at $171.27, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Overall, you can essentially anticipate that the able cost should really be around $138.17 in 2030. Aptos Value Expectation 2031 in a sort of significant manner. Digital currency experts for the most part are somewhat prepared to declare their assessments of the Aptos cost especially. The year 2031 will not set in stone by the really most extreme well-suited cost of $242.24. In any case, its rate could drop to around $139.22 in opposition to prevalent thinking. In this way, the normal genuinely normal exchanging cost is $190.73. Aptos cost now at this point. Aptos cost generally is $7.08 with Aptos market capitalization of $920,145,048.49 in an extremely significant manner. Is Aptos a for the most part wise interest in an unpretentious manner? Taking into account kind of current negative pattern in Aptos cost developments, it in a real sense is normal that digital money will basically keep meeting cost decline.